There are many discussions about eggs, but some people, having consumed eggs since childhood without any issues, can easily dismiss these concerns. Some claim that eating eggs with bread causes cancer, while others say it can even lead to dementia. We have also heard that eggs contain a significant amount of cholesterol. So, the question now is, can eggs cause cancer or other diseases? Regarding cholesterol, yes, it is right, eggs contain a lot of cholesterol, but they also have a cholesterol inhibitor called lecithin. Egg yolk is rich in lecithin, which helps reduce cholesterol absorption. When lecithin and cholesterol enter the intestine, lecithin encapsulates the cholesterol into specific structures, making it harder for the cholesterol to be absorbed. As a result, you absorb less cholesterol. Additionally, eggs contain choline, which, if not present in sufficient amounts in the body, can lead to the accumulation of fat and cholesterol in the liver, potentially causing severe fatty liver disease. Moreover, our good friend vitamin B3 in eggs is one of the best cholesterol inhibitors. So, from the perspective of cholesterol, there is no need for concern. Now, let's talk about dementia and what eggs do to you, and if you found the video helpful so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your brain is under the protection of choline. Choline not only inhibits cholesterol but also plays a crucial role in your brain's health. Phospholipids, which are essential for normal communication between brain cells, are made from choline. It is interesting to know, this vitamin is the most important building block of the brain. In addition to ensuring brain health, it also aids in enhancing memory, learning, and concentration. Let me talk a bit about eggs. No matter what age you are, getting enough protein is definitely beneficial for you. The protein in eggs is superior. There are foods with a high percentage of protein, but the process of converting that dietary protein into body protein is slow, resulting in less protein absorption. However, up to 48% of the protein in eggs is converted into muscle and joints. In comparison, this number is 32% for meat and fish, and 17% for soy. Quite a difference, right? Egg yolk. Egg yolk is probably one of the most nutrient-dense and multivitamin-rich foods you can consume. Eggs contain almost all essential nutrients. Except for vitamin C, they are particularly rich in B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12, and especially the active form of vitamin A, known as retinol. Stronger and healthier bones with eggs. Did you know that most adults suffer from mild to moderate vitamin D deficiency? Eggs provide vitamin D, which helps strengthen bones, leading to stronger bones. A single egg provides about a quarter of our daily vitamin D requirement. Now imagine what would happen if you ate 2 eggs in a day. Eye health. Do you remember the vitamins I mentioned that are found in eggs? These vitamins, along with selenium, come together to support the retina and protect against vision problems that arise with aging. Eggs contain the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which help prevent eye diseases, including cataracts, which are very common, and macular degeneration. When it comes to absorption, eggs are top-notch. The lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs are absorbed better than from plant-based sources. So the answer to the question ends with the consumption of eggs. Eat eggs. They do not cause cancer or dementia, especially if you are over 50 and your eye and bone health are deteriorating. You've realized how many benefits eggs can offer you, and one question remains. How should we prepare eggs to gain the most benefits? Stay with me for a minute to get the answer to this question. Eggs are sensitive to heat, and the less you cook them, the more nutrients you retain. You can consume them as boiled eggs or poached eggs, which are 2 of the best methods, but be careful not to overheat them. If you consume eggs raw, you might lose some nutrients like biotin. So, a great suggestion could be cooked egg whites with slightly raw yolks. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any experience in consuming eggs, leave it in comments.